How to make a sustainable income online. Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job that doesn't fulfill your financial goals? Do you want to earn a sustainable income online? If so, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you the most effective ways to make a sustainable income online. Shot 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog is an excellent way to make a sustainable income online. With the right approach and dedication, you can earn a significant amount of money from your blog. First and foremost, you need to start with a niche that you are passionate about. Choose a unique niche and create quality content that will grab your audience's attention. Ensure your content is SEO optimized to rank higher on Google. Promote your blog on social media platforms to drive traffic. With enough traffic, you can start monetizing your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Shot 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a booming industry. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach it online and make a sustainable income. Many students on platforms like TutorMe, Schooly, and Chegg are willing to pay for tutoring services. You can set your own rate and schedule. Online tutoring allows you to work from anywhere at any time. It's a perfect option if you are looking for flexibility and convenience. Shot 3. E-commerce. E-commerce is another way to make a sustainable income online. With platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy, you can set up your online store and sell products. You can create your products, source them from a supplier, or provide dropshipping services. E-commerce offers immense potential to make money online. To succeed in this field, conduct proper market research and offer quality products to stand out from the competition. Shot 4. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to make a sustainable income online. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, or any other skill, you can offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Freelancing offers flexibility and the potential to make a considerable income. Build relationships with clients, offer quality services, and ensure timely delivery to grow your client base and receive more opportunities. Shot 5. YouTube. YouTube is one of the fastest-growing platforms to make a sustainable income online. With the right content, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Creating compelling videos on a niche you are passionate about and building an audience takes time, effort, and dedication. However, the potential to make a sustainable income on this platform is enormous.